it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the cat ear headband to go along with the black cat outfit for Sakura from Cardcaptor Sakura. To make Sakura's cat ear headband, we're going to start by taking a base headband. I got mine at the craft store, and we're going to make a pattern for the outer coating by tracing around the headband, leaving some space on either side to act as seam allowance. Use that pattern to cut 2 pieces out of some black fleece. I'm using fleece because it has a fuzziness to it and it also has a stretch to it. And we're going to put the 2 pieces together and sew them together along the outer edge, leaving a gap in the center so that it can be slid over the headband. Turn the cover right side out and slip in the headband. Now we're just going to hand sew this hole closed to completely encase the headband in the black fabric. To make the cat ear portion, I'm using the same pattern that I used for my Webyugioh ears, and we're going to cut 2 of the earpiece out of black fabric and 2 of the earpiece out of pink fabric. I'm using fleece once again, and we're going to pair up a pink ear to a black ear, and we're going to do the opposite for the opposite ear. And we're going to sew them together all along the edge, leaving a small gap so that it can be turned right side out. Turn the ears right side out and hand sew the hole closed. Fold the inside of the ear over slightly to give it a little bit more dimension and sew it into place. Then hand sew the ears onto the fleece headband. And with that, Sakura's ears are done. For more cosplay tutorial videos on how to make the rest of this costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!